Today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple chicken recipe using chicken breast, because it's really hard to get the chicken breast cooked all the way through without making them like dry as dirt. So this is just a really easy way to take those big thick chicken breasts that you buy at the grocery store and make a really tender, juicy dinner. And it's really fast, super simple. So first you're gonna need a Ziploc bag. That's how I choose to prepare my chicken, because it keeps the chicken juice from splattering all over the kitchen, because you know, who wants E. coli? So just take one of your chicken breasts, put it in your Ziploc bag, and then when I very first started doing this, I used my husband's hammer, and he was horrified to come home and find me using his hammer to, you know, flatten out the chicken breast. So, I mean, you can grab a, you know, kitchen tool like this one, or go out to the garage and use that. So there's no specific thickness that you have to have your chicken. You just want it to be uniform all the way across, so that it cooks evenly. And this is the big tip into getting these big thick chicken breasts that you get a good deal on at the grocery store, to be tender and juicy and not dry and stick to the roof of your mouth. Okay, so I just pour some olive oil in my pan. Now, this is the trick, besides smashing it flat, is using this Zesty Italian salad dressing. And I use the dry mix because it's super easy and it's delicious. And it's also dairy-free, which is something we have to have in our house. So you just put the chicken down, get the seasoning on both sides really well, and lay it in your pan. Now, the biggest next trick is when you first start cooking this, you have to put the lid on. That keeps the moisture in, and you let it cook. When I have it about this thin, it's probably gonna take between 4 minutes aside or so. And then you flip it over and do it another 4 minutes, and then you've got dinner. Okay, it's been 4 minutes on each side. I left the lid on the entire time that they cooked, besides when they flipped them, because then they turn out really juicy. All right, let's go take these over and make sure they are well done. Okay, so take the thickest one, cut down the middle. That's beautiful. Perfectly done. Look at that. I'm Emily from fearlessdiy.com. Go out and try something new today.